I'm not singing.
What?
I'm not going to sing anything to you.
Oh, see, you sang.
Hi, this is Tony Stewart, also known as Blessed Brother.
Angie Stewart, blessed sister.
And the topic today is
Additional lessons from Live2Lead workshop.
additional lessons from the Live2Lead workshop. We're continuing the series of things that Angie got when she had a chance to tap the brains of people like John Maxwell, like Rachel Hollis, and a number of other people who brought some great distinctions that we want to impart into you to make great things happen in your life. As always, this is brought to you by blessedbrother.com, blessedbrother.com, where you can go and learn stuff.
We like learning around here.
That's right. So, Angie, take it away.
All right. Well, I'm going to continue on with a talk about servant leadership because there's so much in there. And one of the speakers...
Wait a minute. You know what? Why is servant leadership so important?
Well, it's important because it meets the heart and it meets the need of people.
Yeah.
And when you are giving of yourself, I remember the quote that I gave yesterday that Angela said about her dad said, you need to give 60 and take 40.
Yeah.
It falls along those lines because think about what Jesus said. It's more blessed to give than to receive.
Yes.
And when you are coming with a servant's heart to help someone, to share with someone, to impart to someone, and to lead them in that way, that person is knowing without a doubt that you care for them. And that's what really matters to people.
That's good.
Is that you care for them.
You know, I was thinking about what you were saying, that the fact that, you know, there's no such thing as a self-made millionaire or a self-made success story. Mm-hmm. You know, we studied a success story today. Mm-hmm. And we saw in that story, you know, among the things that we saw in the story was the fact that they did not do it by themselves. Mm-hmm. They got a whole group of people around them that helped them. Mm-hmm. And the key to that was this guy was always thinking about the team, blessing the team, helping people, bringing people up, serving them. And as a result, he was able to get to the dreams he had. But in the meantime of doing that, he helped other people reach their dreams and go further than they ever thought they could on their own. Mm-hmm. Think about that.
Yeah, absolutely.
So anyway, go ahead.
Many top leaders will tell you that the way that they got to their success was because they've been able to stand on the shoulders of giants.
And serve people.
Yes.
What can be more attractive in building a team, building a group, building an organization, building a family, but having a demonstrable mindset, display, and heart towards serving.
Right. And a servant leader understands that people don't work for you, people, or for them, I should say it that way. People work with them.
Yes.
So, and you think about this this workshop is the Live2Lead workshop. So it was from the Live2Lead conference or broadcast that John Maxwell does. Now, John Maxwell is the #1 leadership expert in the world.
Yeah.
And his quote that he gave for this year, he said, which is applicable to every year, but he said, the secret to having your best year is to find a way to serve someone every day.
Find a way to serve someone every day. You should write that down. Find a way to serve someone every day, and that will lead to your best year ever.
Yes, yes.
All right.
So think about, like, before your pillow hits the head at night.
Your pillow hits the head?
I mean, your head hits the pillow.
We're going to have a pillow fight tonight? Is that what you're going after?
Okay. Find a way. You find a way to serve someone every day. Think about how you accomplish that before you lay your head down at night.
Or the pillow hits your head.
Yeah, either or. And if it hasn't, you still got time.
There it is.
You still have time.
There it is.
All right, so let's get into this. So the speaker that was talking gave about servant leadership specifically. He gave a quote by Dr. Martin Luther King that I want to share with you.
All right.
Life's most persistent and urgent question is, what are you doing for others? Living is a form of not being sure, not knowing what next or how. The moment you know how, you begin to die a little. Well, think about that. You should, it kind of goes into the arena of not having it all figured out. So, but you do your best for people.
Yes.
You find a way to serve them, as John Maxwell said.
Yeah, and you're not always going to be perfect. You're not going to be perfect. But if you have a heart towards serving people, even if your execution's not perfect, they will sense that.
Right.
And
It's about your heart.
It's about your heart.
Yes.
You will make mistakes. Don't have this my idea in your head that you're going to be perfect in leading people.
Right.
It's a growth process.
Right.
And as you do more and help people more, and you get into their hearts, and you find what their goals are, you find what their dreams are, you find out how you can be of benefit to them. As you do that, you're going to grow. They're going to grow. And you're going to become a better and better leader. And it's those people who are great leaders who are the ones who are reaching their success and the goals they have in life.
Yes. What's one of the key benefits to servant leadership?
One of the key benefits to servant leadership, well, what are you going after?
Well, I'll just tell you.
All right.
This is what he was talking
about. All right.
It builds trust. Right?
Absolutely.
When you know someone is giving themselves to you, giving their heart for you, giving their life for you. Okay, let's take Jesus, for example.
Yes.
Did he or did he not give his life for you?
Yes, he did. Big time.
So did that or did that not build trust?
Absolutely. Trust and belief for sure.
Exactly. So that's what you're doing when you serve from your heart in servant leadership.
You know, one of the greatest gifts we have is the gift of time. You know, we can never get that back. You can get money back, but you can't get time back.
That's right.
And when you're truly serving someone, what you're doing is you're giving and investing your precious resource, time, in them. So that's huge.
That's right.
All right, so I know there's more that you got.
I know.
More. So we're going to pull her back again, guys. And tomorrow we will continue this. In the meantime, also remember to go to blessedbrother.com, check out what's going on there, and we will be happy to serve you with the distinctions, and thoughts and ideas that you get at blessedbrother.com. So check that out.
2 things to remember.
Yep.
Have you served someone today?
Yes.
And what are you doing for others?
There you go. And go to blessedbrother.com. Have a blessed evening, blessed day. We'll see you tomorrow.
See ya.